You are still married, correct?
Mm-hmm.
And you've not been divorced. Now, let's just go through the claim. It's for £5,000. Use your life savings. Your life savings were £17,000 and roughly £50, OK? And you put £8,500 from your family into the business. Your husband contributed £10,000. Is that right?
It was a loan from his parents. He didn't have any pounds.
Of course he didn't have any pounds. It was a loan from his parents. And the rest of the business you paid for by getting a loan together for £9,800. Rob has never made any repayments on the loan, correct? You've also got into very serious credit card debt as a result of him. What you're seeking today is half of the loan that you took, outside the money that your family gave you and his family gave you. You say he's responsible for half the value of the loan that went into the business, which is £4,900, plus a little bit of interest that you want as well. Sherry, this is a difficult situation, and it's one that I want to be absolutely sure that you are given the justice you deserve. Do you understand?
Yes.
You're entitled to justice. You're entitled to be properly and fully remunerated for all of the expenses which were part of your marriage, for all of the effort you put into the business, and above all else, for any debt that it seems to me that Rob has got you into as a result of various promises that he made. The problem that you have is this: you are still married. And as of yet, you haven't initiated divorce proceedings. I understand from what you tell me that you can't afford to do that. The reality of the situation is that there are free advice clinics that can assist you in prosecuting that divorce. You need to go and do it. When you bring your divorce proceedings, another judge will look at this situation in the round, and I'm entirely confident will come to a determination that in terms of the community assets, what you both owe, what his responsibilities are and were, and what yours are and were, you'll be entitled to a great deal more than the maximum I could award you. And therefore, I'd be in real difficulty giving you an award today which would fetter and prevent another judge giving you the justice you deserve. Now, to that extent, I have to dismiss your claim, and I understand that it is terribly disappointing. I understand.
I'm destitute. I am destitute, and he'll never have anything. He spends it all on drinking and smoking and doing what he wants. This was my last hope.
I'm sorry to hear that. Do you hear her?
Yes.
I can't come to an award which would be unjust. I can't come to an award which would be unlawful. But here's something I assure you. At the end of your divorce proceedings, which you can prosecute fairly quickly, because you're going to be terribly helpful, aren't you?
Yes.
Yes?
Yes.
If another judge refuses to deal with the business asset here and says that this was something outside of the community property, and you want to bring your claim back to this court, I'll hear your case. But until that time, I don't want to fetter another judge. I don't want to stop another judge giving you more money than I can award you. And so to that extent, this is the wrong jurisdiction, the wrong court to bring this case. I feel your pain. I look at your shame. That, sadly, very sadly, Sherry, is the award of this court.